Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, November 30th, and I am attempting to do Vlogmas this year. It's been a hot minute since I've done Vlogmas. I really can't recall how many years ago was the last time that I did this, but I figured maybe I'll give it a shot. So today I am making bacon, eggs. I'm actually making breakfast sandwiches there for Dave and myself. And here in a little bit, we are going to go to our salon, well, hairstylist salon, a friend that does our hair. We'll put it that way, because this needs a touch up pretty bad. And since we're going on a cruise in a couple weeks, it's another reason why I'm decided maybe try to do Vlogmas this year. We're going to the Margaritaville at Sea Islander on December 13th, so it's 13 days away. So, gotta get this all sorted. My natural's coming out. But we're gonna have a quick breakfast here, head on over there, and get that done. It's gonna take a few hours. Then head on back, and maybe do a little decoration. I gotta work on the vlog for Tuesday. That I gotta do too. And much more. So stay tuned and see what we get into today. Oh, and I forgot to mention, it's 20 degrees out there, and it really does feel like winter out there. Chilly. Alright, hair is did. Much better than it was earlier today. But now, next mission is to get my snow tires on my car. So, Dave just left. So I'm going to meet him at a local garage to get that done. Hey, at least I have a guy who knows what he's doing.
Once in a while.
Okay. All right, lunchtime. We're having some grilled cheese. There's the cheese, but we're having some grilled cheese. Some work guy out my front door. Now Dave's just putting the Christmas lights up. I know. Probably should have done it earlier, but what are we gonna do? It's freezing cold out. There's snow outside, but he can hack it. So he's outside doing that. I work on the vlog for Tuesday's the St. John vlog. So St. John was our last port on our Carnival Venezia cruise in September. We visited Yip's Cidery. Very good. So good. So that leads me to my question. Since we're going to be going to Margaritaville at Sea Islander in a couple weeks, is there anything you guys want to see us check out or do while we're there? We're on a 4-day cruise going to Cozumel. So if there's anything that you guys want to see or just have us check out, put it down below. Kona, you want a treat? You want a treat-o? Good boy. Now you're being quiet. Before you were yelling. What are you going to do with this treat-o? What do you do? Can you speak? Yeah, good boy. Here you go. Alright, it's dinner time. I just got the vlog done. I'm actually going to do St. John into 2 parts. It was a long, but it was a very fun day. So stay tuned for that. But we're doing leftovers. Leftover turkey from Thanksgiving that I made. Some tater tots. Have some open-faced turkey sandwiches tonight. It's a good day for it. Huh? Here are the lights. They are super, super bright. Pretty. Alright guys, calling it a night tonight. Thank you so much for watching our first Vlogmas of 2024. Stay tuned for day 2 and see what I get to tomorrow Sunday. And I am going to a purse bingo. It's actually a benefit for my friend's granddaughter, so definitely stay tuned for that. Thank you guys, and we'll see you tomorrow.